Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Olivia's Romantic Home, and in today's video, I'm sharing with you guys my top favorite picks from the Dollar Tree kitchen section. They have so many amazing goodies that you guys can use not only in your kitchen, but also in your craft room, organization, and even refrigerator storage. So listen, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Check the description box below. I'm hosting a giveaway. Follow me over on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok if you guys love to craft and decorate on a budget. Now let's go ahead and jump into these fun and fabulous kitchen items, tips, hacks, and tricks. I love the Dollar Tree splatter screens. I use them to keep things from splattering while I'm cooking, but I also love to use them in crafting. I have shared with you guys some fun and fabulous little craft ideas, and I also buy the ones with the handle. You guys can take these and flip them upside down, put a bow at the top and some florals, and boom, you have a swag. Or you guys can buy these for your kitchen to protect things from splattering. Another great kitchen item that Dollar Tree puts out are their jars. So I found 3 of these jars, and as back to school draws near, I am going to be using them to organize some of my baking goodies. I love to bake cookies for the kids back to school. They also have just larger mason jars, and we're gonna be doing some crafts with these. And these jars are gonna be in the Halloween section of your Dollar Tree, but I think they're beautiful with this nice copper lid. There's so many different DIYs you guys can do with these, and I feel like jars are just a great way to make things a little bit more decorative. Instead of sitting around in the package, you guys can put things in a cute little jar, label them, and you just have a little bit more interest in your kitchen. Here's a fun Dollar Tree kitchen hack. Grab some of their self-adhesive hooks, add them to the side of your jar, and then add your teaspoon, and bam, you are ready to bake and you won't lose your teaspoons. Here's a Dollar Tree kitchen hack you guys have to try. So grab one of the Dollar Tree canning jars and take an empty salt container, trace out the top part of the canning jar, and then with your scissors, go ahead and cut it out. You might want to get a larger hole with a knife to start the cut with. That makes it a little bit easier to cut. What we're going to do is create a pour spout for some of our items that, pour out too quickly, like these breadcrumbs. So I'm going to add now the top, and boom, look, I have a nice little pour spout. Great little hack for your kitchen. Another one of my favorite Dollar Tree kitchen goodies are the Sure Fresh storage containers. I use these not only to store leftovers, which I love eating leftovers, especially when I'm at home crafting and I need something quick and just to heat up. This is a great size, and they come 2 to a pack. They also have this smaller size if you guys have something smaller to store, and I have used these so much also in my craft room. You can mix paint up in these and store it. The lids stay on really nice, and if you hand wash them, you're gonna have a little bit more bang for your buck and longevity on these items. But Dollar Tree has some amazing fun little kitchen store items, so definitely check out that section. Another super fun Dollar Tree item, this one actually is not in the kitchen section, but it is a book bin, so it's in kind of your back to school section. These are amazing though to use in your kitchen to slide lids down inside of. It just helps keep everything organized. Another fun Dollar Tree hack is to take your little plastic lids, slide them down in here, and put these in one of your deeper drawers, and you guys have some really nice organized sections. It drives me crazy when lids are just thrown everywhere and they take up so much space. So I feel like this is a really fun little hack that you guys can use and very budget friendly. Another amazing item in the Dollar Tree kitchen section are these little organizers. For this size, they come 2 to a pack, and for this size, they come 3 to a pack. I use these so much in my junk drawers and also in my makeup drawer to keep things organized. Again, as a creative person, I have a tendency to kind of let things be a little bit disorganized, so keeping things organized for me just really helps me out so much. But these are such a great size. You can put silverware, makeup brushes, all of that kind of fun stuff, and these work so well for keeping all those little knickknacks and different things just corralled. I absolutely love the Dollar Tree contact paper. I actually will cover my work surfaces in my craft room with this contact paper, and I also use it underneath as shelf liner in my kitchen cabinets. I actually need to redo my kitchen cabinets. I did them on a video for you guys a couple of years ago. This is 18 by 4 foot, so you probably want to grab a couple of them if you're going to use them as shelf liner. And then also the Dollar Tree is carrying this vinyl liner, and these are great to keep things from sliding around in your silverware drawers or just as a liner in general. This is kind of soft and spongy, and of course this one is the contact paper. So I love these also because they look kind of bougie with the marble. Obviously it's not real marble, but I also use this contact paper in my pantry. So that was really fun and fabulous. So check out the contact paper, another nice way to just get your home looking really nice and organized, and it's totally budget friendly. Okay, you guys have to check out these Dollar Tree kitchen measuring cups. These are only $1.25 and they come in white, which looks so nice and clean. I've always bought the ones in red, which are nice as well, but my kitchen is white, so it's really nice to have something to match my kitchen. And also, I'm going to tell you guys, these are great to use in your craft room. If you guys like to mix up homemade chalk paint like me, you want to have some little measuring cups. So these are definitely dual purpose, and these are also great to put into your bath salts in your bathroom. So think about that. So for $1.25, you guys have quite a bit of dual purpose, and grab the white ones. They look really nice and a little bit more high-end. Another one of my favorite goodies in the Dollar Tree kitchen section that I feel like is very multi-purpose are their really fun chargers. I found these today and I think they look so bougie on a budget. How pretty are those to do like a fancy tablescape? I also love using these guys for centerpieces, and you guys have seen me make so many different centerpieces with these chargers. And check these out. I think these are really fun. These almost look like something that you would buy off of the Mackenzie Childs websites, but they're $1.25 if you like to do a little bit more of a casual dinner setting. Or again, I use these so many ways. I've made tables with them. I use them for centerpieces and all of that kind of fun stuff. And once the holidays roll around, check out Dollar Tree's fun holiday chargers. So these are chargers. They're going to be larger than your plate, and they're just so many fun uses for them. You might hear my puppy dog Binty Bear in the background. He got a new squeaky toy. Okay, you guys, another great little Dollar Tree kitchen item is the Dollar Tree veggie brush. They're wonderful. This is a wonderful little tool for, of course, using to wash veggies, but you guys can also use this to clean things. It has a really soft, gentle brush, so it can kind of get around, you know, different items or different places around the back of your sink, or when you're trying to clean off an item and make it all nice and shiny and new. So check out the little Dollar Tree veggie brushes. Multi-purpose, and I love the nice soft bristles. Okay, I also love the Dollar Tree placemats. You guys have seen me do so many things with the Dollar Tree placemats. Not only can you set a beautiful table, but you guys can easily take these and make them into small little throw pillows. I've shared with you guys so many different ideas on my past videos, so definitely go back and check out a bunch of my videos, and I post a ton on Facebook as well. But you guys, these are so pretty. They're very budget friendly, and they can make just an eye-catching, you know, tablescape if you layer these with a pretty charger and dish. So here's a fun layering idea with a little sunflower, the pretty little Dollar Tree charger here, and then the Dollar Tree dishes. Check this out. How adorable is this? And I love the little pop of yellow here. Okay, speaking of dishes, I love the Dollar Tree dishes. These I picked up last year. I feel like they look really high end. I got very into kind of like the chinoiserie look. Hopefully I'm saying that right. But look at how pretty these are. I feel like these look really high end for only $1.25. And today when I was in Dollar Tree, I didn't have room in my cart because I was getting back to school supplies, but they have the coffee mugs in this set. So I might go back and grab one to share on my Good Morning Instagram coffee with you guys. Another fun kitchen goodie are the little Dollar Tree coasters. Look at how adorable this one is for fall. Gather here with grateful hearts. I love that. It reminds us to be grateful and together. And then this one says, life is a journey, enjoy every moment. So these are great to put by your bedside table to protect your surfaces, but they also make a great thing to put your glue gun on top of. fun fact about that, and you guys can do a ton of DIY crafts and even personalize these. So don't snooze on those Dollar Tree fun kitchen coasters. Another fun thing I love are the Dollar Tree pizza pans. Hey, look at this, serving up pizza actually today. My daughter's back to school. She needs a quick snack before tennis, but these also make great crafting signs. So don't snooze on those Dollar Tree pizza pans, and keep your eye out in the kitchen section, because for some reason mine tends to sell out of their pizza pans. Some of my favorite Dollar Tree kitchen items are the little Dollar Tree plastic placemats. They are so multi-purpose. You can use them underneath your dog bowls, or you can use them as a table setting. You can also use them in your refrigerator. I chose this cute little gather here with a grateful heart for my puppy dog Bitchy Bear's food. He makes such a mess, and he's also pretty spoiled, so I set his food bowl down. Not quite interested, because where's my treats, Mom? But he does make a mess when he's eating. Let me know, comment down below if you guys have doggies that make a mess, but this keeps everything mess and fuss free, and he does love a good little head pat. The next thing I used some of my Dollar Tree placemats was in my refrigerator. This is such a great idea, so then if you have little food spills like we do in our home, you can easily mop those up. I also love these little Dollar Tree mini organizers. These are great for corralling all the kids, snack food or any smaller things in your refrigerator that you don't want rolling around, like these little tasty Baby Bell cheese good bites. And then we also organized some of our yogurts and squeezies into the other organizers. Another fun kitchen goodie that you guys can get at Dollar Tree are their little wooden cutting boards. I love these sizes to chop up veggies really fast. My kitchen is small, so storing large cutting boards can be a little bit of a pain, but these are also great to make a fun little DIY signs. I've shared with you guys so many different cutting board, like different ideas and things that you guys can use these for, but they are wooden, which is a really nice look for your kitchen if you guys kind of like that wooden kitchen look. So anyway, fun and fabulous and very budget friendly. Okay, one last thing, and this is actually decor. It wasn't in the kitchen section, but how cute is this adorable little pumpkin patch farm fresh sign? I think I might use mine up here in my kitchen, so I just had to share that with you guys. If you guys need a fun little sign for your kitchen, this is in the $1.25 section, so don't forget to check out Dollar Tree's fun signs. And because I'm a real life mom, I'm actually going to pop in one of these cauliflower veggie pizzas from Aldi's. My daughter is hungry, she needs a snack before tennis. So while I'm recording this Dollar Tree video, she came into the kitchen and she's like, am I on video? And I'm like, well, yeah, we're in the kitchen. She's like, Mom, I'm hungry. I'm like, okay, I got you, babe. So we've recently been doing kind of some more vegetarian options. I am not a vegetarian, but my daughter is. And so these little pizzas are a perfect snack idea for kiddos after school. They're a great little size. Now, if you have a big family, this size would be too small, but my big kids are off to college, so it's just us. And so off we go into the oven. My oven cooks hot, so we are going to put that on a little bit less time than it calls for. It calls for 9 to 10 minutes, but I'm gonna set it for 7. Thank you guys so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous Dollar Tree video. I hope you guys love these kitchen tips and tricks and ideas for how you guys can use $1.25 items in your kitchen and throughout your home, and even in your crafting. I love to share with you guys so many ideas on how you can make your home's boutique gorgeous on a budget. I truly believe that you do not have to break the bank to have a fabulous, amazing, and organized home. So don't forget to follow me on my YouTube channel. Subscribing is totally free. It's just going to update you every single time I post a new video. I try to share several DIY videos a week with you guys over here on YouTube, as well as several every single day on Facebook. So go over to my Olivias Romantic Home Facebook page, and if you want to join my community, I have a free little group page that you guys can post photos of your home decor and DIY projects. I love to see what you guys are up to, and sharing is caring. So remember, be kind online. We're all at different levels in our crafting and decorating journey and on our life journey in general. So remember to be kind. Leave somebody a kind comment. It might really make their day. You don't ever know what somebody's going through in their personal life. And leave a little heart. Leave, a fun, kind emoji. So I love y'all to the moon and back. Thank you guys for being here. Remember, be kind to yourselves. Be kind to one another. Talk to you guys very soon. Bye. Ooh.